Hello students, I am your educator Ritu. This is the part 3 of NEET question practice series. This question came in NEET 2019. This question came from ecology. Topic is population interaction. In a separate video, we will learn in detail about population interaction. This is very important topic and very easy to understand. So, first of all, let's see this question. This question is of match the column type. In column 1, name is given, that is saprophyte, parasite, lichens, mycorrhiza. And here definitions are given. So, we have to match them. First of all, we will learn about these definition and then we will try to solve this question. So, first of all is saprophyte. So, definition of saprophyte is that a plant, a fungus or microorganism that lives on dead or decaying organic matter is known as saprophyte. So, it can be any plant, it can be fungus or it can be any other microorganism. So, here you can see the diagram, that is this is the example of saprophyte. This is fungi, mushroom. Example is mushroom, type of fungi. So, this is about saprophytes. Second one is lichens. Lichen is an example of mutualism. As I already told this is the question related to population interaction, and population interaction is of many types. So, one of the type is mutualism, and there are many examples of mutualism, and the common ones are lichen, mycorrhiza. So, lichen is the example of mutualism. So, in lichens, it is a composite entity which is formed jointly by an algae and a fungus. It is a mutualistic relationship which is formed by an algae and a fungi. And algae known as phycobiont and the fungi known as mycobiont. The main body of the lichen is formed of fungus. The fungus provides fixation, water, minerals and shelter to the algae. And the algae manufactures food not only for itself but also for the fungus. This interaction allows the lichen to grow in environment like bare rock. So, as I already told you, this is the example of mutualism. In mutualism, both the species get benefit from each other. So, lichen consists of algae and fungi both. So, algae and fungi both get benefit from each other. Fungi provide water, mineral, shelter to algae, and algae manufacture food for the fungi. And this is the diagram of fungi. This is the diagram of lichens. So, next one is mycorrhiza. Mycorrhiza is also the example of mutualism. So, in mycorrhiza, it is a mutualistic interaction in which a fungus and a root of higher plants are involved. As this is the example of mutualism, so both fungi and the roots of the plant get benefit from each other. So, the root provides food and shelter to the fungus, and the fungus in return helps the plant in absorption of minerals, water uptake and protection against pathogenic fungi. Next one is parasites. This is the diagram of mycorrhiza. This is the roots of higher plant and this is fungi. This is the roots of higher plant and this is fungi. Fungi helps in water uptake, mineral uptake, and this plant provide food to fungi, and fungi provide water uptake, protection to the plant. Next one is parasite. So, parasite, it is a relationship between two living organisms of different species in which one organism called parasite and another one called parasite which obtain its food directly from the another living organism called host. The parasite spend a part or whole of its life on or in the body of the host. Generally, that species which obtain its food directly from another species, another living species, is called parasite, and from which it absorb food is called host. In parasite, one is parasite and another one is host. One is parasite and another is host. This is the example of parasite, that is mosquito. Ticks and lice are also example of parasites. So mosquito is the example of parasite in this diagram. So parasite can be ectoparasite, endoparasite. Ecto means that parasite which lives over the surface of the host, and endoparasite which live inside the host. So ectoparasite के example है lice, fleas, ticks, और endoparasite के example है malarial parasites, liver fluke, etc. So this is about parasites. So now we will see the question. So we have to match the all of these. So first of all is saprophytes. So in this saprophyte will be get match with second, that is decomposition of dead organic material. A with second. Now B, parasite, that is living on living plants or animals. That is B with third. Lichen, as we know its definition, that is it is symbiotic association of algae and fungi. So C with fourth. And D, mycorrhiza, its symbiotic association of fungi with plant roots. That is first. So D first. In all the four option, there is only one option where D match with first option. So the answer will be fourth. The answer of this question is fourth. If you know the definition about mycorrhiza only, then also you can solve this question. You don't need to have knowledge about all the four. If you know only one out of four, then also you can solve this question. As mycorrhiza, symbiotic association of fungi with plants and fungi with plant roots. So D with first. And there is only one option where D is matches with first. That is option number fourth. So this is all about this question. I hope you all understand this. In the next video, we will discuss another question that came in NEET exam. Please do like and share my video. And for more videos, subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.